one grammar topic can instantly improve your English speaking. It's conditional sentences. Let us master them together. Hi, I'm Suresh Kumar from Nile Institute of Languages and Education, Bangalore. To easily understand and learn English language, please subscribe and follow our channel regularly. Now, conditional sentences are sentences that express a condition and its result. They usually have two parts. If is a clause or a condition, or main clause is result. Example, if it rains, I will stay home. There are four main types of conditional sentences. Number one is zero conditional. This is used for facts, truths and scientific laws. If you take the structure, if plus present simple and present simple. Examples, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If it rains, the ground gets wet. Now, first conditional, used for possible or likely situation in future. Structure, if plus present simple, will plus base verb. Example, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay indoors. Third is second conditional. This is used for unreal or unlikely situations in the present or future. Structure, if plus past simple, would plus base verb. Example, if I had $1 million, I would buy a big house. If she knew French, she would work in Paris. Now, third conditional, that is used for unreal situation in the past, things that did not happen. Structure is if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. Example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. If they had left earlier, they would have caught the train. Now, if you take a summary, zero is if plus present facts and truths. And first condition, if plus present, will plus verb, real future possibility. Second condition, if plus past, would plus verb, unreal present or future. And the third is if plus past perfect, would have plus V3, unreal past. Other conditional words besides if, like we can use unless. Unless means if not. Unless you hurry, you will miss the bus. Provided that you can go out, provided that you finish your homework. And as long as, I will help you as long as you tell the truth. Now, I'll give you tips. When the if clause comes first, whenever you write, you say comma. Like if you work hard, comma, you will succeed. When the main clause comes first, you should not use comma. Like you will succeed if you work hard. Thank you very much.